Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Dr. UUT lectures. This is going to be an intro video. In this video, I will introduce the Dr. UUT lectures. First of all, we'll tell you people about the beginning, the title, Dr. UUT, and after that, I'm going to tell you people about the announcement for our Urdu or Hindi subscribers, those who speak or understand the Urdu or Hindi. For them, we are going to do a special announcement, and here we'll be telling people about the subjects that Dr. UUT lectures cover. And in the fourth point, we'll tell you people about the books that we actually study or we take the help for creating the lectures. And here we'll be talking about the priority about the lectures, means what kind of lectures we will be creating first. So we'll talk about that here at the end. Now let's start from the very first point. That is the Dr. UUT lectures, English, Urdu or Hindi. U stands for Umair, and another U stands for Usmani, and T stands for Tokh. Umair, Usmani, Tokh. That's it. And English, Urdu or Hindi, actually we create lectures, bilingual lectures, means we create lectures in English and we also create lectures in Urdu or Hindi. Suppose the topic we have, that is respiration. Now this respiration topic will be available in English in one video, and the same topic will be available in Urdu or Hindi in another video. So like this we are creating bilingual lectures. And now come towards the announcement for our Urdu or Hindi subscribers. This announcement is actually for those subscribers, those who are asking time and again that please provide us lectures. We want to download and want to keep that lecture with ourselves. So in order to make it easy for them, I have created another channel where I'm just going to upload the entire Urdu lectures in that channel, from where our Urdu or Hindi subscribers can download and can watch also the lectures exclusively in Urdu or Hindi. And in the next point, that is the subjects that Dr. UUT lectures cover. For now, the Dr. UUT lectures cover the biology, chemistry, the basic chemistry and advanced chemistry, biochemistry, physiology, pharmacology, science. It includes general sciences. So in a nutshell, you can say that we create lectures on the life sciences. And the books that actually we study for creating lectures, from which we actually take the help or we study for creating the lectures. Regarding biology point of view, we study the books of the Balochistan Board and Federal Board of Pakistan. And regarding chemistry, basic and advanced, for these we take the help of many of the authors of Balochistan and Federal. Regarding advanced chemistry, we take the help of the authors of Pakistan and India. And regarding biochemistry point of view, we take the help from the Chatterjee, Satyanarayan. These two are the very basic books that actually we study for creating the biochemistry lectures. And regarding the physiology and pharmacology, I have a number of books. And I'm time and again asked about these books, that what are the books that I'm actually creating the lectures from. Let me show you guys some of the books. These three are actually the books for the physiology. This one is Larley Sherwood, and this one is JP, and here we have the Guyton. These are the books that I actually study for creating the lectures for the physiology. And I do have another book that is for those, a very short one, that is a kind of review book. And about the pharmacology, we have this stuff. The BRS review, top one, Yasser review, the Kaplan, Kadzang review, and Kadzing book. Okay, textbook. These are the books that we actually study for creating the lectures of the pharmacology. So whenever we have a kind of very difficult topic, for that, in order to make the topic very easy, so we take the help of all these books. We just take the points from all the books and then we just collect that. After that, we make the topic super duper easy for our students. And we do have some books here in the laptop in PDF for our all the subjects. And that's it, all about our introduction. And the last point remaining is that the priority, the lectures that you guys are asking about time and again, means in majority that lecture will be created first. So that's it, all about from my side regarding the introduction of the Dr. UUT lectures. I hope you got what I spoke about, and I thank you for watching. And my dear Urdu or Hindi subscribers, don't forget the announcement. I will give the link of the channel in the description, and don't forget subscribing the Urdu Hindi lectures. And at the end, I, Dr. UUT, thank you all for joining us and for subscribing us and motivating us by your wonderful support in the shape of the likes, comments and subscriptions. I thank you all once again. Thank you.